Juan Tamad.
by Anthony Jaden Manayan.
Once upon a time, there was a lazy boy who had short and black hair and lived on a farm. His name was Juan.
May isang tamad na batang lalaki na maikli at itim ang buhok na nakatira sa loob ng bukid. Ang kanyang pangalan ay Juan.
While Juan was walking around the farm, he saw a beautiful guava tree.
Habang naglalakad si Juan sa bukid, ay may nakita siyang magandang puno ng bayabas.
Wow, that tree is so beautiful and has a lot of ripe fruits. Wow, napakaganda ng punong iyon at maraming hinog na bunga.
He waited for the guava to fall with his mouth open.
Gusto niyang mahulog ang bayabas habang nakabuka ang bibig.
I'll just lay down first and wait for the guava fruit to fall. Hihiga na lang muna ako at hintayin na mahulog ang bunga ng bayabas.
Then one day, a guava fell down into the mouth of Juan.
At isang araw, nahulog ang bayabas sa bibig ni Juan.
Ah, finally, the guava fell down from the tree. I can taste the fruit that I've been waiting for. Sa wakas, nahulog na ang bayabas mula sa puno. Nalalasahan ko na ang prutas na hinihintay ko.
But the fruit fell down had worms. It was very dirty.
Ngunit ang prutas na nahulog ay may mga uod at maruming itsura.
That is nasty! Nakakainis!
He wanted to eat the fruit that looked yummy and beautiful with a green color and a round shape.
Mukhang masarap at maganda ang prutas na may berdeng kulay at bilog na hugis.
I need to taste the guava that looks so tasty and juicy. Kailangan ko matikman ang bayabas, mukhang malasa at makatas.
So Juan reached for the guava with his hands without waiting for it to fall.
Kaya naman inabot ni Juan ang bayabas gamit ang kanyang kamay nang hindi hinihintay na mahulog ito.
Ah, this is how guava tastes like. So delicious. Ah, ganito pala ang lasa ng bayabas. Sobrang sarap.
Then Juan ate a lot of guavas until he was fully satisfied.
Pagkatapos ay kumain si Juan ng maraming bayabas hanggang siya ay mabusog.
I feel happy now with all the guavas I ate. Masaya ako ngayon sa lahat ng bayabas na kinain ko.
At the end, Juan learned not to be lazy. If you want something, go out there and get it done.
Sa huli, natutunan ni Juan na huwag maging tamad. Kung gusto mo ng isang bagay, pumunta ka doon at gawin ito.